Good morning, boys and girls, cubers. This is Mr. Jerry with Abundant Fun, and I finally got a tripod. I'm so excited, and I'm going to show you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I'm going to try to go very slowly. I'm going to try to explain everything I'm doing, and I'm going to make several videos in the solve so that you don't have to look through a long video to find your spot. It's going to be one section per video, and I'm going to make it very user-friendly. And again, this is Mr. Jerry with Abundant Fun, and I think I've got to pull this out a tiny bit. And here we go. This is the regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube. As you saw, it was a complete cube. It was definitely solvable. Sometimes your cube will come apart, and the pieces, the edge pieces and the corner pieces will fall out, and you'll put them back, and when it's not solved, you could put them back in the wrong place. So you have to be careful to make sure you put it back in the right place, or to solve it and then put them back, or put it back together solved. The correct way is to spin the cube, obviously, and get the pieces in the right place. Okay? And also, my method is not top, middle, bottom. It is top, bottom, and then we'll come back and do the middle. So this video will be just the top. And in my approach, we do the corners first instead of the plus or the cross. We will do the corners first. And so I see three corners right there, three white corners here, here, and here. And they all go on this top face. But as you see, this orange and this red do not match. But this red and this red match. So I can put this one straight up into the white slot, and then this one here just as easily throws into the top spot, which pushed our white and orange out of play. So I'm going to bring it back around, and as I see, this is the green side, and this is the blue side. You match it to the center. The centers do not move. They just spin around in a circle. All right, so I'm going to take this cube, this corner, and slide it to the side because I need the green to be able to flop up onto the green face when I flop the white up onto the white face. And as you see, that corner is done. Now my last corner is here, which is user-friendly. When it's in the side face, it's much easier. All you do is you pull it down, put it in place, and slide it up. Now, oftentimes it's not that easy. It's more like this, where this piece here is somehow in the bottom face, and I'm going to put it to the bottom face if I can figure out exactly how to do it. Okay, I'm going to mess up the corners and do the corners again so that you'll get a good understanding of how the cube works. And again, you take the time and learn. Okay, so I'm going to put my first corner up. It's white and green. I'm going to flip it to the green side to make it easy for us to follow. The green matches, the orange matches, and the white matches. Now my two blue and whites are on the same side, but I wanted to do it with a corner on the bottom. And indeed, I have a corner on the side here that I'm going to put opposite the other ones so that when I slide them up, now I have one on the bottom, which is the most difficult case to solve. Okay, so I have three cubes in the right place, three corners, I should say, in the right place. And my last corner is facing down. That's very simple. Put it under where it would go. Okay, so it's on the front right. Front right. I'm going to flip that side back. Flip it to the front. No, I don't want it at the front, do I? No. Oh, it's already up because now it's up on the side in the back. And I'm going to flip it to the side out of the way so it's over here. And then I'm going to pull this side back up so that the blue and the white still match. Okay? Now here comes the other one. Pull it around so I can see it. I see it can go right here at the bottom. So I'm going to slide it to the side, pull that face down, and push that back. And there I have my corners. It's called the X. And this will be my first video. And my second video, I will do the edge pieces. And so this is part 1. The next one will be part 2, coming right up.